Mama, this place feels alive.
It is! We've reached the Sanctuary of Realm Keepers. Are they still here? Only one remains. The last Realm Keeper. Welcome, travelers! I am Sarai. And the realms are dying. Sarai, we come seeking answers.
Silence is swallowing worlds.
What is happening to them? Will that happen to us? He believes that only silence is eternal.
So he's trying to end everything?
Yes. And only the first sound can stop him. Then show us how.
Mama! Something's coming!
Realm Keeper, you survive.
You will not harm them.
These creatures are nothing but fading noise.
We aren't fading, and we won't let you take our worlds.
A mortal cat? You dare challenge me?
Leave Mama alone!
We're not afraid of you!
Courage, but useless. Silence consumes all.
Mama Cat, now! Use the first sound.
Mama? What's wrong? Mama, the colors look different here. It looks sick.
Color sickness. A bad sign. This is why I brought you. The Petalwing Forest is losing its light. Something is feeding on the colors.
Something alive?
But not dead either.
It feels cold.
Something drained its warmth. Did you hear that?
No sound, no smell. Whatever it is, it hides its presence.
You have to help us, Great One! The shadows are everywhere! They're destroying the forest!
The pink heart lily, gone.
No, not the pink heart lily. Tell us what happened. It came as a smudge, a dark. It swallows colors, lightness.
A parasite.
A being born from realm imbalance. It grows stronger by consuming emotions.
I don't like this realm anymore.
We're here to help, no matter what we find.
Mama! Look! Look! It's like melted shadow. Mama! It's looking at us!
Stay behind me!
It wants your colors, your emotions, your joy!
Well, it can't have them! Mama! It almost touched me. It smells like hope. And pancakes. Everything smells like pancakes to you.
Stay close, everyone. Realms like this can be full of surprises. They're flying! This is the Valley of Floating Seeds. Each seed carries a potential dream, a creature, a flower, a piece of music.
Mama, this one is humming. Mine is glowing rainbow. Every seed is alive. Some even choose who can guide them.
But lately, the seeds have stopped drifting properly.
Something's blocking the currents.
And without the currents, the seeds can't choose their dreams. That sounds sad.
Mama, this one feels cold.
Listen! Incoming!
The heart seed. If even that is failing.
It's trying to say something.
Seeds don't talk.
Some do, Oliver, if you listen with your heart. If the heart seed dies, this entire realm will lose its ability to create life. Then show us what we must do. I smell something sour.
Sour magic?
Mama, I hear something inside the stone! These feel wrong. A wind siphon. It eats movement instead of color.
It's waking up! Mama, this portal smells sweet. Like peaches and honey.
That's because we've entered the orchard of living fruit. I've heard stories. Fruits with personalities.
Visitors! 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 Welcome to the orchard! Stay a while.
But don't pick anyone who doesn't want to be picked.
Look! They talk.
They do indeed. Be respectful. This is their home.
This place is alive! I mean, extra alive!
What was that? Oh, good! You must be the Realm Wanderers. We need help. What's wrong, little one? The Peeler Beast has returned!
The Peeler Beast?
I need seasoning.
Mama, it's scary!
You're not here to hurt anyone, are you? Tell us what you really need.
Every week I molt.
Peel, peel, peel. The dried skins pile up and I itch everywhere.
He's not actually a monster, just itchy.
We can help him.
Whoa! It sounds like bells when we walk.
Ding! Ding ding! This is awesome! Welcome, travelers. I am Liriana, Keeper of Echo Chimes.
Thank you for your welcome, Liriana. Your city is beautiful.
The dissonance wave. It's too strong. Cover your ears, quickly! Look there! The heart chime! The darkness is spreading.
We can help fix it, right?
Perhaps. But it does not trust easily.
You're frightened.
I am failing. A broken chime cannot protect a city. It's like a staircase made of mourning.
Look! We're above the clouds. It's soft and warm.
Your realm is breathtaking.
It was. But there is trouble. The dawns have begun repeating.
It's looping. Like stuck in a sunrise.
Someone tampered with the dawn prism. Without it, the bridge could collapse, and all dawns may freeze.
Tell us where it is. We can help.
Hello? Please, go away!
Are you all right, little one?
I didn't mean to break it. I just wanted to keep a dawn for myself.
You stole a piece of the dawn prism!
The smallest. I wanted just one dawn that was mine, so I took a piece. Mama! The bridge is wobbling!
It's because the prism is missing its shard.
I'm sorry. I didn't know it would break the dawns.
Wanting to feel special isn't wrong. But stealing the morning means everyone loses. Then let us help them see you. Not by taking something, but by shining in your own way.